Hello friends, welcome to our channel Meet the Flavors. Today we are gonna show you one of my favorite non-veg dish, that is honey chili chicken. So without any further delay, let's get started. So here as an ingredient I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken pieces. Now I will marinate with 1 egg, 1 tablespoon salt, around 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now I am gonna add around 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and half teaspoon of red chili powder. Then I am adding 2 cups of corn flour. You can also use all-purpose flour. 1 small cup of breadcrumbs for the crispiness. Now around 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You can also use lemon juice. Now give a good mix and we are gonna marinate this for half to 1 hour maximum. So this is our marinated chicken and we have marinated it for 1 hour. Now we are gonna fry this. So for that I have used around 2 cups of soya oil and just heat it up little bit, then add these marinated chicken pieces one by one. Just remember one thing, don't need to heat it up this oil too much, because then the outer side of these chicken pieces will be fried quickly and inner portion will not be fried. So you can see our chicken pieces are fried almost. Now I will take this out from oil. So our chicken pieces are fried properly. Now in the next step we are gonna fry some fresh veggies, and for that I have taken some garlic, around 1 big size of onion, 1 red bell pepper, 5 to 6 green chilies, 1 small zucchini and some broccoli. Now on that same oil we are gonna fry these veggies. Firstly I am adding some black pepper, around 10 to 12. Then I will add these veggies one by one. Firstly this chopped garlics, and I'm gonna saute this little bit for around 1 minute, and you can smell a good flavor of garlic. Then add these chopped onions. Now I am gonna saute these onions for 2 minutes. It's not a mandatory thing that you need to saute until it gets golden brown color. It's not required here. Just saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add other veggies like bell pepper. Here I have taken red bell pepper for good color. You can use other too. Now this chopped green chilies and zucchini, and lastly these broccolis. So you need to saute all these veggies for around 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes you can see our veggies are almost sauteed properly. Now add little bit of vinegar, again mix this well, and I am cooking on low medium flame. So now I will prepare some sauce mixture in a separate bowl, and for that here I have taken 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Then I will add around same portion of tomato ketchup. Now 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. And now last but not the least, red sweet and sour pasta sauce. So mix this well. So our veggies are sauteed properly. I am gonna use half teaspoon of red chili powder and then add this sauce mixture into the fried or sauteed veggies. Then mix this properly. And it totally depends on you that what type of sauces you are using or how much quantity you are using the sauce portion in this recipe. I like some sweet and sour taste, so I have used these sauces. You can use the same or give a good variety. Now mix this well and add the last ingredient. This is honey. So I am adding 1 teaspoon of honey. Now add all these fried chickens and mix with these sweet and sour veggies. So if you want dry honey chili chicken, then don't need to add water, but here I have used little bit of water, around small 1 cup, to make a thick gravy. Then I am adding 1 small cup of corn flour mixed with the water. Then again mix this well. So after 5 to 6 minutes our recipe is completely ready. Now add some more sliced green chilies and some spring onion on top. Then switch off the oven. So our today's recipe honey chili chicken gravy is ready. Now it's time to serve it, and you can see it looks delicious, and trust me, it tastes awesome. So friends, if you like our recipe, please click on the like button and share it with others, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel, because your support is a motivation for us. So that's why please support us and keep sharing our videos, keep watching our videos, and to get notifications about our new upcoming videos, please click the bell icon. Thank you.